ready with the prayer. अस्तु वा? आरम्भं कुर्मः. सुशीलं वीणा महोदय भवती प्रार्थनां वदति वा? वदतु.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटिसूर्य समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः. पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्. संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वददाम्यहं संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्. संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन आत्मानम् आहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुनैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे. न गुरुः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोर्मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरौ.
धन्यवादः.
येनाक्षरसमाम्नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलै शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. अज्ञानान्धस्य लोकस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्.
गतकक्षायां शिशुपालवधं सम्पूर्णं कृतवन्तः इति मन्ये. अस्तु वा? अस्तु, इदानीं भगवद्गीता श्लोकां पश्यामः. एकनिमिषम्.
Mahodaya, we have to some more sandhis we have to complete, no?
Yeah. See, I go by the according to the slide number, so that so that you know there is easier to follow.
Okay.
So we'll go. Oh shit. इदानीं दृश्यते किल? चित्रा महोदय, भवती पठतु भगवद्गीता श्लोकः.
भगवद्गीता श्लोकः 1.22 यावदेतान्निरीक्षेऽहं योद्धुकामानवस्थितान् कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे.
इदानीं पदविच्छेदं कृत्वा पठतु. यावत् एतान्
निरीक्षेऽहं निरीक्षे
निरीक्षे अहम्
अहं यः उद्धकाम यः
योद्धुकामान्
योद्धुकामान् अवस्थितान् कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन्
कैः मया
कैः मया विसर्ग कैः मया सह योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् रण
समुद्यमे अस्तु वा सन्धि विवरणं करोतु एकमेकं पदं स्वीकृत्य सन्धि विवरणं वदतु तत्र एव दत्तम् अस्ति परन्तु भवती प्रयत्नं करोतु
यावत् यावत् एतान् जश्वसन्धि यावत् तेषां निरीक्षेऽहं
निरीक्षे अहम्
निरीक्षे अहं पूर्वरूपसन्धिः यः योद्धुकामान् इन् अनुनासिका
तत्र सन्धिः एव न भवति परन्तु अत्र अनुस्वारसन्धि इति दत्तमस्ति ऐ थिङ्क् दट् इस् राङ्ग् योद्धुकामान् अवस्थितान् सो दट् इस् प्रकृति भाव ओन्लि योद्धुकामान् अवस्थितान् इति अस्तु वा तत्र सन्धिः इति न यु काण्ट् से यु काण्ट् काल् इट् अ सन्धि योद्धुकामान् प्लस् इन् प्लस् बिकम्स् न अस्तु वा अतः तत्र सन्धिः इति न बट् अनुस्वारसन्धिः तत्र इति दत्तमस्ति दट् इस् राङ्ग् सुशीला महोदय भवती नोट् करोतु and there is a lot of it which I have to correct. I have not done. I will try to look at it all. I hope I have kept them all. कैहि मया विसर्गस्य रेफादेशः योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् there you can say anuswara but there is the makara eva bhavati yatah swarah bhavati kila atah yoddhavyam asmin iti bhavati asmin rana samudhyame yavat etan niriksheham योद्धुकामान् अवस्थितान् कैः मया सह योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे
Mahodaya, here it is Yodhukama, I mean Yodhavyam is it Anuswara Sandhi then?
That is Anuswara Sandhi, that is where it should come because that is where Makara is there, Anuswara is there. So because Swara is there, Yodhavyam iti bhavati. Astu va? Makarah bhavati tatra. Modhavyam iti makarah bhavati. So that Yodhukaman it is wrong. So atra pashyatu.
This also I have to write because this is also not given here.
That Anuswara is given it in the wrong place. Samanyartah dattamasti kila tadapi padatu Chitra Mahodaya. Anantaram
सामान्यर्थः युद्धं कर्तुं के उपस्थिताः सन्ति अस्मिन् च युद्धे कैः सह मया योद्धव्यम् इति अहं ज्ञातुं प्रथमं तान् द्रष्टुम् इच्छामि तस्मात् मम रथं तत्र स्थापय.
So this is continuation of the Senayor Ubhayor Madhye. I think that is what comes. So this so he says, why does he want the chariot to be taken? Senayoho Ubhayoho Madhye. Yataha saha drashtum icchati ज्ञातुम् इच्छति प्रथमं तान् द्रष्टुम् इच्छति सः यावद् एतान् निरीक्षेऽहं योद्धुकामान् अवस्थितान् कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे सो युद्धं कर्तुं के उपस्थिताः सन्ति योद्धुकामान् अवस्थितान् योद्धुकामाः मीन्स् युद्धं कर्तुं अवस्थिताः those who are ready to fight atra avastitaha, those who are present here and who are getting ready to fight. And kaihi saha kaihi maya kaihi saha yoddhavyam, kaihi saha maya yuddham karaniyam, yoddhavyam iti tavya pratyam योद्धव्यम युद्धं करणीयम् अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे एतत् सर्वम् अहं द्रष्टुम् इच्छामि. सो यावदेता निरीक्षे टिल I see के अत्र सन्ति कैः सह मया युद्धं करणीयम् एतत् सर्वम् अहं पश्यामि अतः तस्मात् मम रथं तत्र स्थापय इति सः कृष्णं वदति तत्र. अस्तु वा?
Then nirikshe is a kriya padam.
निरीक्षे अहं निरीक्षे यावद् अहं निरीक्षे till the time I see all this. He needs time, no, because there are so many people around, so he has to look. Yavad till the time I see all this, tavad you keep the ratham in between the two armies, he says, because there are a lot of people. He has to see everybody, isn't it? So yavat tavad. So that is why yavat. So that this thing comes. So अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे एकनिमिषम्. सुशीला महोदय भवती इदानीं पठतु. This whole slide you read.
व्याकरणांशः यावत् तकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्ग यावत् द्वितीया एकवचन एतान् दकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग एतत् शब्द द्वितीया बहुवचनं सर्वनाम अहं दकारान्त अस्मत् शब्द प्रथम पुरुष एकवचनं योद्धुकामान् अवस्थितान् अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग द्वितीया बहुवचनं योद्धुकाम अवस्थिता that is the प्रातिपदिकम
योद्धुकाम शब्द अवस्थित शब्द
कैः मकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग किं शब्द तृतीया बहुवचन मया दकारान्त अस्मत् तृतीया एकवचन योद्धव्यम अकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्ग प्रथमा एकवचन अस्मिन् मकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग इदं सह सप्तमी एकवचनं रणसमुद्यमे मकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग रणसमुद्यम शब्द सप्तमी एकवचनं सह अव्ययं निरीक्षे निर् प्लस ईक्ष धातु आत्मनेपदी लट् लकार उत्तम पुरुष एकवचन प्रतिपदार्थ यावत् अवधि साकल्यम it is okay
Sakalyam. I really don't get the meaning. Avadhi is the time.
Avadhi is time.
Actually, normally whenever yavat is there, always tavat is there. But here that so till I see them, you stop the chariot there. So it is a continuation of the previous shloka. So the only the yavat is used there. But normally whenever yavat, like yat tat, yavat tavat, yada tada, yatha tattha, all that, they come in combination only. So till the time I see all this, I make a note of all this, you wait. That's what he tells Krishna. You are able to read, no? You are able to read that. Okay.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I'll try my best. Yavat avadhi sakalyam etan iman nirikshe pashyami aham arjunah yodhakaman yuddham kartum yodhukaman yuddham kartum utsukan avasthitan stithan samstithan stithan.
Then I think Maya.
Maya.
The rest you are able to read?
Yeah,
Maya, Kaihi Saha.
Kaihi Sakam. Yodhavyam Yuddham Karaniyam.
Yuddham Karaniyam. I think one more. Asmin.
Etasmin. Rana Samudhyame Yuddham. Yuddhakarye Yuddhe.
Yuddhe.
Then for this Nirikshe, what can you give us meaning? Parikshe?
Iksh dhatu with nir upasarga. Iksh
okay,
dhatu.
But meaning what you can give?
Is not given.
Pratipradan, it's not given.
Nirikshe, Pashyami. Pashyami is given.
Nirikshe?
It's given there, here.
Oh,
Pashyami.
correct.
Aham nirikshe. Uttama purusham. Atmane padam. That is why nirikshe iti agacchati. Latlakaraha atmane padam. Uttama purushe ekavachanam. Aham pashyami. Astu va? All the words are accounted for, no? Idanim Veena Mahodaya bhavati vadatu.
Akanksha kramena.
Ekanimisham. I will. Idanim bhavati prayatnam karoti ekam vayam pashyamah.
Okay. Kriyapadam is nirikshe. Prathama vibhakti is aham and yodhavyam. Dvitiya is etan, yodhakaman, avastithan, yavat. Tritiya is kaihi and maya. Saptami is rana samudhyame. And avyayam is saha.
Saha. Ekanimisham, that yavat I have a doubt. Because they've given it as Dvitiya yavat etan. Oh, that is why they've given it as. So it is not like that yavat tavat. Normally, but the meaning is given as kala avadi, no? So I don't know how they've given it as dvitiya bahuvachanam. I have my own doubts.
That means it has to be saptami, no? Yavat has to be.
No, it is not saptami.
Even
but dvitiya ekavachanam iti tattam, that I have my own doubt. Because yavat tavat yan, it could be. Yan tan, then it will be dvitiya bahuvachanam. But yavat iti, I have a doubt. I have to look at it. I will look at it. You make a note of it, Sushila Mahodaya. I'll try to find out. I have my own doubts about whether it is dvitiya vibhakti madhya asti. We'll look at the other words. Astu va? Veena Mahodaya bhavati vadatu.
Kriyapadam is nirikshe. Kaha nirikshe? Aham nirikshe.
Arjuna.
That is Arjuna. Kan nirikshe? एतान् निरीक्ष्य
No. प्रथमविभक्त्या अन्यत् किमपि पदम् अस्ति वा?
योद्धव्यं योद्धव्यं
कीदृशं प्रश्नं भवेत् तस्य योद्धव्यम् इति उत्तरं भवति चेत् तस्य प्रश्नं किं भवति?
किं कर्तुं
किं
कर्तुं निरीक्ष्य.
Okay, anyway, they were not done. Okay, they've
Okay,
gone to the,
योद्धव्यं.
so probably they will come
Later.
about it later. So द्वितीय विभक्त्यां कान् निरीक्ष्य.
कान् निरीक्ष्य एतान् निरीक्ष्य. पुनः कान् निरीक्ष्य.
Okay.
योद्धकामान्.
So because योद्धकामान् इति विशेषणं भवति किल, अतः कीदृशान् इति प्रश्नं
अवस्थितान् पुनः कीदृशान् एतान् योद्धकामान्
योद्धकामान्.
So यावत् again do we say पुनः or
पुनः कीदृशान्, then okay, then probably that yavat will come there. I don't know. अस्तु, अत्र यावत् इति तस्य विवरणं न दत्तं. पुनः किं ज्ञातुं निरीक्ष्ये.
योद्धव्यं कैः सह योद्धव्यं.
पुनः किं निरीक्ष्ये. ओके. So that ज्ञातुं you have to अध्याहृतं करणीयं. सः वदति किल, यावत् एतान् निरीक्ष्ये योद्धकामान्, and then कैः सह मया योद्धव्यम् इति निरीक्ष्ये. First let me see who are all there and let me see with whom I have to fight. So that nirikshe applies to the second part also. Kaihi saha maya yodhavyam iti bhavati kila tadapi. So he wants to see two things. He wants to see tatra ke upasthitaha iti drashtum icchate. Anantaram kaihi saha yuddham karaniyam. तेन युद्धं करणीयम् इति तदपि द्रष्टुम् इच्छते. अस्तु वा? सो अतः यू हैव टू पुनः किं ज्ञातुं निरीक्ष्य कैः सह योद्धव्यम्.
So that कैः सह योद्धव्यम्, all three are answered in this.
पुनः किं ज्ञातुं निरीक्ष्य कैः सह योद्धव्यम् इति ज्ञातुं निरीक्ष्य. केन योद्धव्यं. मया योद्धव्यं. मया कैः सह युद्धं करणीयम् इति ज्ञातुं निरीक्ष्य. I want to see. I want to see who are all here, and I also want to see with whom I have to fight. If he sees who are all there, he knows that they are the people he has to fight with. The minute he sees all of them, he knows that he has to fight with each and every one. But still it is given us two different things. So, whoever is there in front of him, with every one of them he has to fight. Isn't it? It is understood. Parantu, kaihi saha maya yoddhavyam. So, because that statement, looks incomplete. So, iti jnatum nirikshe. Iti jnatum ichchami. इति निरीक्ष्य इति. अतः तादृशं दत्तमस्ति किल. केन योद्धव्यं
मया योद्धव्यं. कुत्र योद्धव्यं. कुत्र
रणसमुद्यमे.
Then अव्ययम् is
one more सप्तम्यां पदम् अस्ति किल, अस्मिन् इति. तस्य प्रश्नं किं भवति?
कस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे.
ओके. कीदृशे रणसमुद्यमे. अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे.
But if you do kasmin ranasamudyame, it is wrong.
No, it is not wrong. कुत्र योद्धव्यं रणसमुद्यमे, कस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे, अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे. You can say कस्मिन् also you can say, or कीदृशे. Both we can say. In which or which. I mean, it doesn't make much of a difference. Astu va? Atra sarvam idanim avagatam kila? Chitra Mahodaya avagatam va?
Yeah.
Sorry. Chitra Mahodaya bhavati patatu.
Anvayah. यावत् एतान् युद्धकामान् अवस्थितान् निरीक्ष्ये अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे मया कैः सह योद्धव्यम् इति च निरीक्ष्ये तावत् रथं स्थापय.
अत्र तावत् इति दत्तं किल? So that is why I have a feeling that yavat tavat, whether you can call it as Vitiya Vibhakti. I have my own doubts.
If it is only yavat tavat Modi, then it will become avyayam.
It sounds more like avyayam only, no? It doesn't sound like a Dvitiya Vibhakti. I'm trying to sort of visualize. I'm not able to get it. Astu va? पठतु
कृष्णम् इति उक्तवान् सेनयोः उभयोः मध्ये तावत्
एक्चुअली कृष्णम् एवम् उक्तवान् इति वदामः चेत् that will be good. कृष्णम् इति उक्तवान्. See, after writing all this, if we say iti uktavan, you can write, but Arjunah Krishnam evam uktavan would be a better place. Shishila Mahodaya bhavati asyapi, please iti, cancel iti and write evam iti likatu. I will try to correct it. Because the correction, for doing all the correction, I need somebody's help. So only after coming here, I have to get the help and then do all that, Because sometimes when I try to do edit, what happens, the whole thing goes away and I find it difficult to get it back. So I'm still not expert in that. Padatu Chitra Mahodaya.
सेनयोः उभयोः मध्ये तावत् कालं मम रथं स्थापय. यावत् कालम् अहं युद्धं कर्तुं संस्थितान् उत्सुकान् पश्यामि अस्मिन् युद्धकार्ये मया कैः सह युद्धं करणीयम् इत्यपि अवलोकये.
Avalokye, that also means pashyami. Alokaye, avalokaye, nirikshe, sarvam means pashyami. Astu avalokaye.
Bhajan may that song will come, Mahodaya. Avalokaye mama pahi krishnam, some song, bhajan.
Bhajan is there. Alokaye Rukmini Kalyana Gopalam. There is a song. Ashtapadi or something it comes. Alokaye Rukmini Kalyana Gopalam. Alokaye, avalokaye. Upasarga Purvaka Loka. So see, Loka and look. See, so much of similarity between the languages. Loka and look. Iti avalokaye.
Utsuka
means those who are utsukata means desire or keen. Keenness. Utsuka means those who are keen. That is the from that only that utsaham comes. Utsukata, utsaham. We say, no, in Tamil also we say utsaham iti vadamaha kila. Utsaham, utsukata, utsukan, utsukata, utsaham. Dve api samanartha eva. Then utsukan means those who are keen. Utsukata is keenness. Utsaham is keenness, that interest. Those who are interested in fighting. Astu va? So this shloka is, I mean, you have understood well.
Yeah.
So we will go to the next shloka. इदानीं सुशीला महोदय भवती पठतु.
रोच्यमानानवेक्षेऽहं य एतेऽत्र समागताः धार्तराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धे युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः. समानार्थ युद्धं कर्तुम् अत्र ये आगताः सन्ति.
प्रथमपदविच्छेदं करोतु.
ओके. योत्सु कामान्.
No, योत्स्यमानान्.
Sorry, योत्स्यमानान् अनवेक्ष्य.
योत्स्यमानान् अवेक्षेऽहं. योत्स्यमानान् अवेक्षे अहं
य एते अत्र समागताः धार्तराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेः युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः.
दुर्बुद्धे युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः. अत्र सन्धि का विवरणं करोतु. एकमेकं पदं. योत्स्यमानान्.
sorry, योत्स्यमानान् अवेक्षे सवर्ण दीर्घसन्धि. अवेक्षे अहं पूर्वरूपसन्धि.
अत्र पश्यतु. See, when you look at the word yotsyamana, I mean, does it ring a bell? Yotsyamana, yotsyamanah.
Shatru pratyaya something?
Not Shatru. Shanach. Ana, mana. Okay. So, Atmane padam Shanach it is. Okay. Parasmay padam is Shatru. So, yotsyamanah. So,
then it says yotsyamanah
anavekshana. Yotsyamanaan avekshe. Yotsyamanaan avekshe.
Yotsyamanah is not there. Yotsyamanaan.
Manan, because Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. I am seeing the people who are going to fight. See, Satru and Sanach Pratyam, that it's a continuity of action. Gachantam balam aham pashyami. I am seeing the boy who is walking. Ekanimisham. Yotsya Gachantam Satru, continuity of action. Like that, Yotsya those who are fighting. And Yotsya Tadrishan Lokan aham pashyami. Dvitiya Bahuvachanam kila. Yotsyamanah. Iti Pratama Ekavachanam. Yotsyamanah, Yotsyamanau, Yotsyamanaha, Yotsyamanam, Yotsyamanav, Yotsyamanaan. Tadrishan Lo Viran aham pashyami. Dvitiya Bahuvachanam. Ata Yotsyamanaan avekshe. Then avekshe aham. Avagraha bhavati purvarupa. Astu va?
And ete atra again purvarupa.
Ya ete, that is ete.
Yaha ete.
Antamanta.
Okay, antavata. Ya ete. Okay. And then ete atra is again
ete atra again purvarupa.
Purvarupa sandhi.
Then atra ya lopah ya ete. Ya lopah iti.
Visargasya lopah there.
Visargasya lopah. Yantamanta sandhi. Parantu ye iti tatra ekarasya lopah. It is not yakarasya lopah. Ya lopah iti yakara dattamasti. Parantu tatra lopah kim ye iti swarasya lopah. E plus a na. Ya ete. Ya ekanimsham. Ekanimsham. Ya tasye. Okay. I don't know how the ya lopah iti dattam. Probably you make a note of it.
Already there, no? Yeah.
No, that is E परन्तु या इति एकनिमिषं. This is ya is E plus akaram. This is E plus ekaram. Yaha yauve. Then I think that supratyam we have to see what it is. Anyway, let it be like that. We will look at it. So this Purva Rupa Sandhi. अस्तु वा? यते अत्र अवग्रहचिह्नं भवति किल पूर्वरूपं. समागताः धातुराष्ट्रस्य अत्र दुर्बुद्धेर् युद्धे विसर्गस्य रेफादेशः. प्रियचिकीर्षवः. Then we will go. Then सामान्यार्थं पठतु.
युद्धं कर्तुम् अत्र ये आगताः सन्ति ते सर्वे युद्धे दुर्बुद्धेः दुर्योधनस्य प्रियं कर्तुमेव उपस्थिताः सन्ति. योद्धम् इच्छतः तान् योद्धन् अहं पश्यामि. योद्धान्, no, it is
actually योद्धॄन्. योद्धारौ. योद्धॄन् ऋकारान्त शब्दः. सो द्वितीय बहुवचनं योद्धॄन् इति भवति. ऋकारान्त शब्दस्य द्वितीय बहुवचनं योद्धॄन्.
अहं पश्यामि.
अहं योत्स्यमानान् अवेक्षेऽहं प्रियचिकीर्षवः. अस्तु वा? इदानीं वीणा महोदय भवती पठतु.
व्याकरणांशः. योत्स्यमानान् इस् अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग योत्स्यमान शब्दः द्वितीय विभक्ति बहुवचन शानच्. Then aham is dakaranta asmad shabdah pratama vibhakti ekavachana sarvanam padam. Ye and ete dakaranta pullinga yad etad shabdah pratama vibhakti bahuvachana sarvanam. Samagataha akaranta pullinga samagata shabda pratama vibhakti bahuvachana. Dhartarashtrasya अकारांत पुल्लिंग धार्तराष्ट्र शब्दः षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचन. दुर्बुद्धेः इकारांत पुल्लिंग दुर्बुद्धि शब्दः षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचन. युद्धे अकारांत नपुंसकलिंग युद्ध शब्दः सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचन. प्रिय चिकीर्षवः उकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रिय चिकीर्षु शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचन. अवेक्षे अव इस् उपसर्ग ईक्ष धातुः आत्मनेपदी लट् लकार उत्तम पुरुष एकवचन.
So previous shloka it was nirikshe. Atra it is avekshe. Ava plus iksha. Astu va?
So both mean that I want to see. That's all.
Want to see. I see.
I see. Okay.
आत्मनेपदे लट् लकार उत्तमपुरुष एकवचनं. प्रतिपदार्थः वदतु.
प्रतिपदार्थः योत्स्यमानान् इस् ये युद्धं करिष्यन्ति.
अत्र पश्यतु योत्स्यमानान् इति भविष्य शानच्. You all know the word, no? See, when we do the sankalpam, karishyamana, when we do some puja, no? Karishyamana, like that we say, that sankalpam. You remember when the gents do the puja, karishyamana, what I'm going to do. Oh, it's in the future tense. So, that type of usage it is. Yotsyamanaan. युद्धं करिष्यन्ति.
अवेक्षे इस् पश्यामि. ये एते इस् ये इमे. अत्र इस् अस्मिन् स्थले. समागताः सम्मिलिताः आयाताः. दुर्बुद्धेः दुष्ट इट्स् कवर्ड्
Dushtachitttasya
Dushtachitttasya.
Dushtamateh.
Yuddhe is Sangrame or Rane.
Rane.
Priyachikishavaha Abhishtam
Purayitum Ichantah.
Ichantaha. Priyam
Priyam
Kartum
Kartum Ichava. This Chikish Kartum Ichuhu, Kartum Chikish Chikishu. Actually, these words you all know. This is called San Pratyam in Sanskritam. See, Jignasa, Jnatum Icha, Jignasa. Nya Dhatu is there. From that, you get a Jignasa word. It is called Nama Dhatu. See, Nya is the Dhatu, isn't it?
Dhatu.
So from that, you get the
Jignasa.
no, it is not Nama Dhatu, sorry, it is San Pratyam. Jnatum Icha Jignasa. Then Jnatum Ichu Jignasuhu. The person who wants to know, he is Jignasu. The desire to know is Jignasa. Like Moktum Icha, Mumuksha. The desire to get moksha. So these are all called San. This is called San Pratyam in Sanskritam. So Mumukshuhu, the person who wants to get moksha. So he is called Mumukshu. So Jignasu, the person who wants to know. And the desire to know is called Jignasa. And the desire for moksha is called Mumuksha. So Tadrishameva, this Chikirsha. Chikirsha means Kartum Ichuhu. Kartum Icha. And Kartum Ichuhu is a person who wants to do. That is Priyam Kartum Ichati. So he is called Chikirshuhu. So Priyam Kartum Ichati. Tadrishaha Manushaha. So all these, like in Hindi we call chamchas, jalra. I mean, if some person of influence is there, there will be 10 people surrounding him. Whatever he says, they'll say it is right. He may be 100% wrong, but because he is a person of influence, actually in Tamil we say, Paithikarthana Sutti Patti Peru, Panakarana Sutti Patti Peru.
It's the same as that king with the robe, that story.
Yeah. The king and his robe. No? So like that, these are people, they just want to please the king, the man in power. Whoever is in power, they are behind him. They always want to please him. He may be 100% wrong, but still they want to please him. So, Kartumichuhu, it's called Chikirshuhu. The person who wants to do something. And his desire to do something is called Chikirsha. Jignasa, Jignasuhu. Then Mumuksha and Mumukshuhu. Mumukshutvam is also there. Mumuksha. Moktumicha is Mumuksha or Mumukshutvam. Then Mumukshuhu, the person who desires moksha. And actually that Shrotum Icha is called Susrusha. But in Tamil, what we use the word Susrusha means doing service to somebody. Isn't it? Normally that in Tamil we use that word Susrusha. But Susrusha actually means Shrotum Icha, the desire to listen or the desire to hear something. That is called Susrusha. A person who desires to listen is called Susrushuhu. So you know that. Jignasa, Jignasuhu. Then Mumuksha, Mumukshuhu. Then Chikirsha, Chikirshuhu. Susrusha, Susrushuhu. So one is the act. One is the person. Understood? So this is called San Pratyam. from that noun, by adding the san pratyam, you get these type of words. Okay, this is called san pratyam, sanantas. Okay, that much you will learn all that in the next classes. But when you come across these words, it's better to at least put it in your ears. So it will be stored somewhere in the memory. When it is required, it will be retrieved. Astu va? So all this is this whole thing is done, no? Finished, no?
Yeah.
We'll go to the next. Then इदानीं चित्रा महोदय भवती वदतु.
वाक्यविश्लेषणं क्रियापदम् अवेक्षे प्रथमा विभक्ति अहं ये एते समागताः प्रियचिकीर्षवः. द्वितीया विभक्ति योत्स्यमानान्. तृतीया विभक्ति तृतीया विभक्ति षष्ठी दातराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेः. सप्तमी युद्धे अत्र अव्ययम्.
इदानीम् एकमेकं वदतु. क्रियापदम्
अवेक्षे.
Then
कः अवेक्षे अहम् अवेक्षे.
Okay. Then
ये एते समागताः प्रियचिकीर्षाः. समागताः प्रियचिकीर्षवः. काः वा काः समागतान्. You said समागतान्.
एकनिमिषम्.
कान् अवेक्षे समागताः.
योत्स्यमानाम् एकनिमिषम्. So एते सर्वं प्रथमा विभक्ति एव. So प्रश्नं कथं भविष्यति? कान् अवेक्षे. So all that we will let us finish this and then see how to accommodate that. कान् अवेक्षे
योत्स्यमानान्.
अनन्तरं
प्रियचिकीर्षवः समागताः. कीदृशः एकं प्रियचिकीर्षवः कीदृश योत्स्यमानान् प्रियचिकीर्षवः. will it come like that?
केते कीदृशान् योत्स्यमानान्. So this is how you have to say. See, योत्स्यमानान् इति द्वितीया विभक्ति बहुवचनं मध्ये भवति किल. Then तत्र किं किं पदं दत्तमस्ति? एते समागताः. एते समागताः. तान्. Whoever has come here, I want to see them. Suppose you do it in English. I see them who are ready to fight. And who are they? Ye ete samagataha. Those who are assembled here. I want to see them. I want to see. So that tan adhyahritam atra krutva कीदृशान् योत्स्यमानान् ये एते समागताः. इति.
Mahodaya, can be used also like ke apekshe yete apekshe. Can we use it also instead of using like ete samagataha? can be ye te ke avekshe ye ete avekshe.
No. See, ete samagataha iti shloke asti. Tani padani shloke santi kila. So you have to get them as the answer. So what type of a question? So you have to do this adhyahritam. Then only you can ask this type of a question. See, because ete samagataha iti etat sarvam yotsyamanaan iti bhavati kila padam tasya visheshananani bhavanti. Yotsyamanah. Atra yotsyamanah santi ranabhumau. Astu va? Yotsyamanah ete samagataha yotsyamanah. Astu va? Parantu shloke kim dattam yotsyamanaan. Actually, atra api dosha bhavati. Yotsyaman iti yotsyamanaan iti bhavitavyam. Aham yotsyamanaan avekshe. Prathama vakyam tadeva bhavati. Anantaram yotsyamanaan iti padasya etat sarvam visheshanam bhavati. Parantu shloke Vyan etan samagatan iti yo shloke na dattamasti. Shloke sarvam pratama vibhaktyam dattamasti. Ataha, in order to get this meaning, you have to do this adhyahritam of tan. So shlokam is like that. So from the shlokam, if you have to get the meaning like this, you have to do this adhyahritam and then ask that question. Astu va?
No, I'm asking, they have used ete samagataha together. You always tell us that you have to use separately, every word separately you have to ask.
Yeah.
So here, that is why I'm asking here, can you say ke avekshe yete avekshe?
That is correct. But everywhere, then again you have to, because the tan you have to do the adhyahritam. Astu, atra pashyatu. See, all these are all visheshana of the yotsyamanam. Parantu, what we have learnt, visheshanam will always take the vibhakti of the visheshyam. Parantu, atra tadrisham na bhavati. So you can take it as a separate sentence. Aham yotsyamanaan avekshe. Anantaram, ete samagataha tan yotsyamanaan aham avekshe. Ete samagata. So you take it like a separate sentence.
Okay.
So to link this visheshanam to this, you have to have this adhyahritam. Astu va? Anantaram, suppose you ask separate, for everywhere you have to add this tan.
Okay.
Ataha, all the three together, ete samagataha, whoever is assembled here, them I am seeing. I am seeing. It is like a separate sentence. Aham yotsyamanam avekshe. I am seeing the people who are going to fight. So then there is more description about the people over there, but it is like in a separate sentence. So to link that to the first sentence, you have to have this adhyahritam, because this is in dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachanam. Etat sarvam api, you have to have it in dvitiya vibhakti, but parantu shloke sarvam prathama vibhaktyam bahuvachane tattam asti. Kila ataha sarvam together you use them, and then taniti adhyahritam krutva kidrishan yotsyamanaan iti. See, certain times you have to do that adhyahritam. Some words are not given. You have to assume the words and then proceed with the. Even in Anvayam also we do that, isn't it? So tadrishameva bhavati. Ataha together they have given. Otherwise, for ye and then again tan, ete tan, samagataha tan. Everything you have to take and then that tan you have to add. So instead of that, together you have taken. So this, only a little, that clarity of thought has to be there. So the minute you saw this, you must wonder. See, these are all the Visheshanam of Yotsyamana. But parantu Yotsyamana iti Dvitiya Bahuvachanam madhya asti. Parantu etat sarvam Pratama Bahuvachanam madhya asti. Katam? Ataha tatra tan iti adhyahritam krutva, you have to link it to this. So for that, you have to think a little. Astu va? Avagatam va? Chitra Mahodaya?
Mahodaya, konja confusion irukku.
Confusion is there, but I mean, you think about it. You think it, you take it as a, see, in Sanskritam, actually, like in English, we don't have, I mean, that full stop is not there. But in shloka, you have padams. So, first line of the shloka, then that virama chinnam is there. That one line and then two lines. Second line of the shloka. If it's a two-line shloka, second line you have the double chinnam, virama chinnam. That is what we use. Parantu, these are all the poetic licenses. So you have to understand that.
I think so.
So that you have to, aham nirikshe. That is the main sentence.
Yeah.
Aham yotsyamana avekshe. Anantaram, Yotsyamana. There are more details about the Yotsyamanas is given. Tadrishan Yotsyamanan aham avekshe. So those details are all in Pratama Vibhakti. Ataha tan kidrishan tadrishan Yotsyamanaan ete samagataha. Iti. If everything, suppose in the shloka itself, ekanmisham, I will go back to the shloka. We will look at it. We will try to put the Dvitiya Bahuvachanam there and see. Yotsyamanaan avekshehyam ya etetra samagataha iti dattam asti kila. Then if you write, then the chandas also will not come. Samagatan, etan, yan, like that if you say, no, that will not come. So you can take it, it is as though the sentence getting completed here, and then more description about the sentence. Like that you have to take it. Because these are all, this is poetry, this is not a prose like, isn't it? It's a slokam. So that lies and that is how it is, the sloka is made. So you have to do the adhyahritam and then start asking questions. Astu va? So, kaha avekshe, aham kan avekshe yotsyamanaan, kidrishan yotsyamanaan, ye ete samagataha, san yotsyamanaan. Iti adhyahritam bhavati. Who was reading now?
Chitra.
Chitra Mahodaya. Anantaram vadatu.
Then Priyachikirshavaha.
Then that also you have to do the adhyahritam only. Let us see what type of question.
Punaha kidrisha
Kutra samagataha atra rane. Anantaram kidrishaha samagataha.
Samagataha. Okay. Samagataha Priyachikirshavaha.
Yeah. So because here they have taken that Pratama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam only. Kidrishaha samagataha. So kidrishan yotsyamanaan ye ete samagataha. Anantaram, that more Visheshana for the yotsyamanās is they are priya chikirshavah. So then kidrishaha samagataha. Like that they've taken and they're priya chikirshavah iti datamasti. So you can actually, this also you can take it as punah kidrishan yotsyamanaan. Then this Priya Chikirshavaha, you can Priya Chikirshavaha Tan, you can say. In the same manner as you did here, Punaha Kidrishan Yotsamanan, because this is also an adjective, Viseshanam for the Yotsamanas only, Priya Chikirshavaha, isn't it? So that also, Punaha Priya Chikirshavaha Tan. Like that you can say. No, that is not wrong. Okay. Then
Shashti. Kasya Priya Chikirshavaha.
Now you understand, because the next this, they are Dhartra Rashtrasya Priya Chikirshavaha. So here also, Dhartra Rashtrasya this what will be the Dvitiya Bahuvachanam of this? Priya Chikirshu is Ukaranta Pullinga. So what will be the Dvitiya Bahuvachanam of it? You tell me the word.
Vaha something.
Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha, Gurum.
Guru.
No, Ukaranta. I'm telling, give Guru Shabdam. Like that only it will come, no? So you tell me what will be the Dvitiya Bahuvachanam? Gurun.
Guru.
So like that, Priya Chikirshun. Kidrisham. So if you take it like that, then they are Dhartra Rashtrasya Priya Chikirshavaha iti tatra dattam kila. You can take it as a Viseshanam of Yotsamanan also. Then Kidrishan Priya Chikirshun Dhartra Rashtrasya Priya Chikirshun. Like that you can take. Or you take it as Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam and then go to the next word. Tasya Priya Chikirshavaha. Atra Pashyatu. So you use the same word and then Tasya Priya Chikirshavaha. Otherwise, Kasya Priya Chikirshun Avekshe. Because that Avekshe is for all this, isn't it? But since it is given like a separate sentences, so subsequently they've used Prathama Bahuvachanam instead of Dvitiya Bahuvachanam. So somewhere that you can do the Adhyakritam and use this, then again go back to Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam and then continue. Kutra Samagataha, Kidrishaha Samagataha, Kasya Priya Chikirshavaha, Kidrishasya Dhartra Rashtra. So this Durbuddhe is Viseshanam for whom?
Dhartra
Rashtra. Not for the Priya Chikirshu. Okay? So Kidrishasya Dhartra Rashtrasya Durbuddhe Dhartra Rashtrasya. Somewhere you can again come back to the Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam and then go also. Kutra Priya Chikirshava Yuddhe Priya Chikirshava Kutra Samagataha Atra Kutra sorry. Astuva. Actually, this Kutra Priya Chikirshavaha Kutra Samagataha Atra Yuddhe itself. So this actually this doesn't look too correct for me. I mean, somehow I'm not for it. Oh, sorry. This is the last one. Kutra Priya Chikirshavaha is there, no? That Yuddhe you can use here only. Kutra Samagataha Atra Yuddhe. See, this Atra and Yuddhe refers to the same thing.
Because Rane is already given as
Atra Rane iti dattam asti kila. Atra there itself we can use the Atra Yuddhe instead of writing. Sorry. instead of writing rane atra yuddhe
You
इत्यपि
can.
लेखितुं शक्यते अतः कुत्र प्रियचिकीर्षवः इति that question is not required. अस्तु वा? अत्र पश्यतु इदानीं सुशीला महोदय भवती अन्वयम्
अन्वयं दुर्बुद्धे धार्तराष्ट्रस्य युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः ये ते अत्र समागताः तान् योत्स्यमानान् अहम् अवेक्षे.
अत्र पश्यतु अत्र सर्वं प्रथमाविभक्त्यां स्वीकृत्य यदा अतः तदेव दत्तमस्ति किल श्लोके अनन्तरं तान् इति अध्याहृतं कृत्वा तान् योत्स्यमानान् अहम् अवेक्षे. अत्र अनन्तरं किमपि दत्तमस्ति वा? न. After aveksha, is there any word? No.
Nothing.
So that is
the yotsamanan becomes the visheshna.
योत्स्यमानान् अहम् अवेक्षे. तान् योत्स्यमान्. दुर्बुद्धेः धार्तराष्ट्रस्य युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः एते अत्र समागताः तान् योत्स्यमानान् अहम् अवेक्षे. तात्पर्यं
संग्रामे दुर्योधनस्य अभीष्टं पूरयितुम् इच्छतः अस्यां रणभूमौ ये सम्मिलिताः तान् योद्धॄन् अहं पश्यामि.
So this is continuation. Tavat yavat aham pashyami tavat ratam sthapaya. Now everywhere you have to take that this thing. Senayor ubayor madhye, that word is there. No, that you have to take it. Atra visheshana. So atra pasyatu chikirsha kru plus san pratyayam. So I gave you a lot of examples. Jignasa, susrusha, all that. There are lots of such words. I mean, more and more if I come across during this thing, I will explain. So the minute you see that type of sha or sa like that, you will get familiar with that. Sorry. So, avagatam kila, this shlokam also understood. I mean, there is klesha bhavati, parantu, I mean, punah patnantaram, it will become clear. This is one shloka, you just read that. Veena Mahodaya bhavati padatu.
Subhashitam. क्वचित् पृथ्वीशय्यः क्वचिदपि च पर्यङ्कशयनः क्वचित् चाकारः क्वचित् चाकाहारः क्वचिदपि च शाल्योदनरुचिः क्वचित् कन्थाधारी क्वचिदपि च दिव्याम्बरधरो मनस्वी कार्यार्थी न गणयति दुःखं न च सुखम्.
अस्तु वा?
सामान्यार्थः क्वचित्
पदविच्छेदं करोतु.
ओके. क्वचित्
740. 740.
Why? What is 740?
No, I didn't understand.
I also didn't understand.
What did she say?
Chitra, we have till 8 o'clock.
Nothing.
You are talking to somebody else or what?
Okay. Padavichchedah. Kvachit prithvishayah. Kvachit api paryankasayanah. Kvachit shakaharah. Kvachit api cha शाल्योदनरुचिः क्वचित् कन्थाधारी क्वचित् अपि च दिव्याम्बरधरः मनस्वी कार्यार्थी न गणयति दुःखं न च सुखम्.
I mean, kimapi artham avagahanam bhavati va asmin whatever you have read, are you able to understand something?
A bit. Like some
See,
people.
This type of slokas, the last line is the punch line. Manasvi karyarti na ganayati dukkam nacha sukham. That is the moral of the Subhashitam. So the rest are all examples. So how beautifully they have given. So you are able to understand, no?
Yeah.
Yes,
Veena Mahodaya, you try to give the meaning, even in English.
English. Kvachit prithvi shayya. Some sleep on the ground. Kvachidapi cha paryanka shayana. Some sleep on the mattress or bed. Kvachit shakahara. Some eat just vegetables. Kvachidapi cha shalyodana ruchi. Some eat tasty food. Kvachit kantadhari. They wear gold, is it or no?
No, this is old. Actually, in Tamil we say kandal means old clothes. Kandayanalum kasaki kattu. Tattered or even torn clothes.
Yeah, old torn clothes. And some others wear Divyambara Dharo. They wear very beautiful clothes. Manasvi karyarthi na ganayati. They don't count the dukkham nacha sukham.
So, manasvi karyarthi, for whom only attaining his goal, that is he's so focused, he doesn't mind all this discomfort.
This does not cause happiness.
For him, only he's so focused on his job, he doesn't mind all this minor this thing. Actually, today I thought I must keep the water here because I knew I'm going to cough after some time, but I forgot.
Too much of talk.
1 minute, I will get the water.
Yes.
The Sukti is there, no? Manohi Ketuhu. It's like that, no? Manaseva Karanam for all activities.
That is for that the sense. No, but this is only for, I mean, a person is not, he's so focused that he's not given, he doesn't mind whether he's on the floor or in the bed, whether he's eating this or, because he is so interested in finishing the job.
Atra pashyatu, you read it, no? Vyasanam va santosham va na chintayati. Na gadayati dukkham cha na cha sukham. Because he is so focused on his this thing, he doesn't even pay attention to all the discomforts or what this thing. So beautiful.
Manaha eva karanam for sukham and dukkham.
Atra pashyatu. Idanim Chitra Mahodaya bhavati padati. Oh, sorry.
Vyakaranamshaha adhikam pratipadarthaha. Prithivishya paryanka shayanaha shakaharaha divyam baradharaha akarantaha pullinga pratama ekavachanam api cha na kvachit avyayam kantadhari karyarti nakarantaha pullinga kantadharin kanta
karyarthin shabda.
Karyarti pratama.
So that is nakaranta pullinga. Kantadharin shabda, karyartin shabda. Pratama ekavachanam.
Shalyodana ruchihi.
Actually, it is shalyodana. Shalyodana datamati. That is shalyodana. इकारान्तः पुल्यर् शाल्योदन रुचि शब्द प्रथमा एकवचनम्
दुःखं सुखम् अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्ग दुःख सुख द्वितीया एकवचनं गणयति गन् धातु प्रथमा लट्लकार प्रथमा
परस्मैपदं
परस्मैपदं
लट्लकार प्रथम पुरुष एकवचनम् प्रतिपदार्थः अत्र पश्यतु सुशीला महोदय भवती पठतु
प्रतिपदार्थः पृथिवी शय्यः कुत्रापि भूमौ शेते पर्यङ्कशयनः कुत्रापि मञ्जे शेते शाकाहारः यः सरलं फलमूलादिकं भुङ्क्ते 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 or भुङ्क्ते
भुङ्क्ते that visargam is not there
भुङ्क्ते
भुङ्क्ते भोजते harihi there that shlokam before eating food we say that no
शाल्योधन रुचि यः पाकम् अन्नं खादति पक्वम् अन्नं खादति कन्थाधारी
कंताधारी
वस्त्रधारी
जीर्ण वस्त्रधारी जीर्ण वस्त्र means tattered clothes
kandal what do you call
actually Tamil kandalanalum kasaki kattu we say that no
aware divyambharadhara kausheya vastradhari
all silk
manasvi dhirah कार्यार्थीं कार्यसाधकः दुःखं क्लेशः आर्ति पीडनं बाधा सुखम् आनन्दं गणयति लक्षयति
so वीणा महोदय भवती
क्रियापदं न गणयति प्रथमा विभक्ति इज पृथ्वीशयः पृथ्वीशय्यः पर्यङ्कशयनः शाकाहारः शाल्योदनरुचिः कन्थाधारी दिव्याम्बरधरः मनस्वी कार्यार्थी द्वितीया विभक्ति इज दुःखम् एंड सुखम् अव्ययं क्वचित् अपि न कवर्ड च आकांक्षा क्रमेण अन्वयः न गणयति कः न गणयति
so what will be the
कार्यार्थी न गणयति
manasvi because in shloka manasvi is the first word no
okay
so manasvi न गणयति पुनः
कः न गणयति कार्यार्थी न गणयति
then how will you the rest are all in prathama ekavachanam only but how will you ask the question so these are prithvi shayyah is a visheshanam for manasvi and karyarthi astu va so ekam padam svikritya prashnam pruchatu no
so, because it is prathama vibhakti
so the minute you think it is visheshanam the question could be कीदृशः okay
किं न गणयति दुःखं न गणयति पुनः किं न गणयति सुखं न गणयति okay then कीदृशः मनस्वी न गणयति
कीदृशः मनस्वी कार्यार्थी एकमेकं पदम् आगच्छति क्वचित्
पुनः कीदृशः मनस्वी कार्यार्थी पर्यङ्कशयनः पुनः कीदृशः मनस्वी कार्यार्थी शाकाहारः क्वचित् शाकाहारः पुनः कीदृशः मनस्वी कार्यार्थी क्वचित् शाल्योदनरुचिः पुनः कीदृशः मनस्वी कार्यार्थी क्वचित् कन्ताधारी then पुनः कीदृशः मनस्वी कार्यार्थी क्वचित् दिव्याम्बरधरः पुनः no that's all.
Okay. So everything is all Visheshanas are accounted for. All the words are accounted for. See, when you do the Akanksha Kramena Anvaya, every word in the shloka has to be accounted for. Except, of course, Avyayam. Isn't it? Avyayam, because you can put it anywhere. I mean, wherever it is appropriate. But all the other words have to be accounted for. Then only you can write the Anvaya of that. Okay? When you do like this, and then you can write. Sorry. अत्र पश्यतु चित्रा महोदय भवती पठतु अन्वय पठतु
पृथिव्यः क्वचित् च पर्यङ्कशयनः अपि क्वचित् शाकाहारः क्वचित् च शाल्योदनरुचिः अपि क्वचित् च कन्थाधारी अपि च क्वचित् च दिव्याम्बरधरः मनस्वी कार्यार्थी दुःखं न गणयति सुखं च न गणयति.
अस्तु वा? So सर्वत्र पश्यतु च अपि and all they've used it. They've used it in the appropriate places in the appropriate manner. तात्पर्यं पठतु चित्रा महोदय.
तात्पर्यं धीरः साधकः सदा लक्ष्ये एकाग्रचित्तः भवति. अयम् आनन्दं वा कष्टं प्राप्यतु लक्ष्यं न त्यजति. समये समये सः भूमौ शेते अन्य समये मृदु मञ्चे शेते. एकस्मिन् समये सरलं फलमूलादिकं भक्ष्यति अन्य समये स्वादु भोजनम्. एकस्मिन्
भोजनं भक्ष्यति तदपि you can अध्याहृतम्.
एकस्मिन् समये सः जीर्णानि वस्त्राणि धरेत् अन्यस्मिन् समये कौशेय वस्त्राणि. सर्वासु परिस्थितिषु सः लक्ष्यं साधयितुं प्रवर्तत एव.
सो लक्ष्यमेव प्रधानं तस्य. सुखदुःखं सः न गणयति इति तस्य तात्पर्यः. अस्तु वा? So anantaram, I think next will be this. I think we'll take it up in the next class.
Next week.
Shishupala Vadam.
Okay.
I'll say the prarthana. Then after I stop the recording, anything if you want to talk, we can talk.
Yeah.
Sarve ekanimisham. This I'll stop sharing. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ॐ.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
Thank you.
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
सर्वं कुशलमस्ति वा? All the recordings are uploaded till now.
Yeah, we could see that. I think there is one more sloka. One more sloka to be uploaded. I think
the last class we did that Shishupala Vadam only, no?
No, I'm talking of Rishtayanam Swajanam Krishna and Nimittani cha Pashyani. These two slokas are left behind.
Oh, they come in between or what?
I don't know where they are.
Oh, that evam mukto Hrishikesha Gudakeshena Bharata. I think that I uploaded that slide, I think.
No, these are after slide 27, it has to come. Drishtaenam Swajanam Krishna and
No,
Nimittani.
this shlokas come afterwards only. No, then
Afterwards,
yeah.
We are in 20. No, you had already uploaded that in slide 31. You had uploaded that.
But
others, I'd asked for you. These 4-5 slokas were not there. No.
Yeah, out of the two, I think the slides were not made. I think I have to.
Two have not done that.
एक निमिषं महोदय, recording off करना. You have to off.
I didn't switch off.
No, it's recording still it is record.
Oh, sorry.